Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing paper stacks and a light adhesive. This is why glue viscosity matters. Too thick and the tack fails. Cut sheets to size, align edges against a cardboard guide, and clamp firmly at one edge. Then, paint a thin bead of diluted glue across the clamped edge. Make sure the layer is even so notes peel cleanly. Once applied, let the adhesive set briefly before the next coat. This creates the sticky strip you will rely on. You continue by reinforcing that adhesive spine with multiple thin coats, because thin layers bond better and stay flexible. Once done, dry each coat for 5 to 10 minutes. If you need speed, use a fan or gentle low heat, but avoid boiling or warping the paper. Make sure to feather the glue so the transition from sticky edge to sheet is smooth. This prevents tearing. After 3 coats, test a sheet. If it tears or peels unevenly, tweak glue mix. You complete the process by separating and trimming the notes, then pressing the pad flat under weight to stabilize the adhesive bond. This yields clean stacks. If sheets cling too much, dust the adhesive edge lightly with cornstarch. Make sure to remove excess particles. Conversely, if tack is weak, add a scant extra quarter coat of slightly stronger solution and let cure overnight. One key troubleshooting tip: if peeling is fibrous, the glue is soaking. Use thinner layers and quicker drying between coats to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.